following the fatal shooting of Asen M Marak by the Border Security Force in Dalia Village, located within the Shella Constituency of the East Khasi Hills District on the 1st of March 2024, the Achik Holistic Awakening Movement, Aham, East Khasi Hills District, has called for a thorough investigation into the incident. The president of Aham East Khasi Hills, Labius Arengh, spoke to reporters, emphasizing the organization's demand for government compensation for the family of the deceased.
So, regarding that issue, so we want to ask a very indispensable that means this BSF personnel, which is fire on that 2nd of March 2024. So, on whose 1st of March 2024, on whose authority, so they have a power and dare to kill this inoffensive and innocent people. So, and moreover, that is not belongs from the government land. That is totally belongs from the private land. So, as we gone through regarding this spot inquiry, we have seen with our naked eyes in calculated evidence. So, from the lands, no man's land, it has been only 150 meters. But as per we observe, as per our knowledge, so that place, the spot is more than 300 meters. So that is why this grievances. So it is not acceptable and uncalled by with the Aham Khasi Hills zone.
Additionally, Vice President of Aham, Ezekiel A. expressed deep concern over late Marak's death and urged swift action from the Meghalaya government.
Shuaban nga yasdang ya kanega subject nga kwa pentip ya nga kakateng nga kadai Ezekiel esangma naka Aham kadai u Vice President jongka Aham East Khasi Hills zone ngipan pau kajing siaw jing snyaw kya halor kajing syaksiat yap u Asen M Marak haka shitarik banai balai arjar rapsau haki kiti jong ki BSF halor kani ni dawajur naga sorkar ba kanthung daka magistrate inquiry badru ban ai jing yarap yaka longyeng u Asen M Marak